Welcome to the SAFY 9 Quick Installation Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get your SAFY 9 dash cam up and running, ensuring your safe driving experience. First, let's see what's in the box. You'll find the SAFY 9 front camera, the rear camera, a mount bracket, a car charger, the power cord, rear camera connection cable, a pry tool, a micro SD card, this quick start guide, double-sided tape for the mount bracket, and electrostatic stickers. Step 1. Insert the micro SD card. Locate the micro SD card slot on your front camera. Gently insert the micro SD card into the slot until you hear a satisfying click. Remove the protective film from the front lens. Step 2. Install the front camera. Attach the mount bracket. Slide the mount bracket into the slot on the front camera. Apply the electrostatic sticker. Choose a flat area on your front windshield, avoiding edges and curves. Clean the area thoroughly. Peel off the backing and place the electrostatic sticker onto the glass. Press outward from the center to remove any air bubbles. This sticker helps with easy removal and repositioning. Mount the front camera. Remove the adhesive backing from the mount bracket. Align your dash cam with the electrostatic sticker on the windshield and press firmly. Hold it in place for several seconds to ensure a strong, secure bond. Step 3. Connect power to the front camera. Plan your wiring by locating your vehicle's power outlet. You have two options for power connection, either USB-A or cigarette lighter power socket type. A quick note, to enable parking mode, a Hardwire Kit, sold separately, is required. Plug the mini USB connector into the dash cam's power socket. Route the power cable neatly along the windshield edge and down the A-pillar. When running your cables, make sure to avoid interfering with airbag deployment. If you're unsure, consult a professional. Plug the cable directly into your vehicle's USB-A port. We recommend a port that provides 5 volts, 2 amps, or higher for optimal performance. If your vehicle does not support USB-A power output, route the power cable as before. Insert the cable into the supplied car charger adapter, then plug the adapter into your vehicle's cigarette lighter outlet. Once you're done, test the power by activating the ignition on your vehicle. You can also use this time to format the micro SD card as prompted by pressing the last button on the right as seen here. Step 4. Adjust the front camera. With your dashcam now powered on, open the live preview screen. Adjust the camera angle so it faces straight ahead and captures the road clearly. This ensures you get the best possible recording angle. Step 5. Install the rear camera. Apply the electrostatic sticker. Clean a flat area at the top center of your rear windshield. Peel off the backing and place the sticker onto the glass, making sure not to cover the lens area. Press outward from the center to remove air bubbles. Remove the protective film from the lens and the adhesive cover from the rear camera mount. Align the rear camera and position the rear camera so the SAFY logo is oriented upright when viewed from inside your vehicle. Secure the mount bracket in this position, then firmly attach the rear camera onto the electrostatic sticker. Connect the cable. Run the rear camera cable from the front camera along the headliner and through the C-pillar or side trim for a clean look. Plug the cable securely into the rear camera port. Adjust the rear camera angle. Switch your front camera's display to rear view mode. Now tilt the rear camera up or down until it captures a clear, straight view behind your vehicle. Using the app. To unlock the full potential of your SAFY 9 dashcam, download the SAFY Direct app. Scan the QR code in your Quick Start guide, or search for SAFY Direct on the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android, or display the QR code on your dashcam screen via the settings menu, as seen here. Open the SAFY Direct app, tap the plus icon in the upper right corner, and select the SAFY 9 from the device list. Follow the simple in-app instructions to complete the pairing process. Connect your phone to the dashcam's hotspot. Open your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings, select the dashcam's hotspot, which will be named SAFY 9-XXXX, with XXXX being unique to your device. The default password is 12345678. Finally, confirm the connection authorization on the dashcam. Important: do not connect to your home Wi-Fi or another device's hotspot. Also, if you have a VPN enabled on your phone, please disable it before connecting. Congratulations! You're now ready to use your SAFY 9 dashcam with the SAFY Direct app. With the app, you can live view what your dashcam sees, playback recorded footage anytime, download videos directly to your phone, adjust settings with just a few taps, stay updated via FOTA, firmware over the air, for the latest features, and capture important moments instantly. Thank you for choosing SAFY for your safe driving. If you have any further questions, please refer to your detailed online manual by scanning the QR code in your Quick Start Guide, or visit us at www.safydirect.com.